friends, in today's video we're going to be playing Natural Disaster. Which corner do you think we should go on? I'm going to go with blue. I think green's going to die. Oh, I also thought red was. I'm serious. Okay. Obviously, guys, we have to go to red. Actually, no, I'm going to go. Oh, no, I got it. I'm going green. I know it's a risk. Oh, no, I'm not going to make it, am I? Ah! No. Oh, that's just sad. That's just very sad. Okay. I'm back. Oh, yay! Whee! Not this one. Stand back, guys. Sad. That's a lot of damage. The last time I didn't even know I had a sword in my inventory. I'm just trying to run away. I'm innocent. Oh, kill her. Kill her. She doesn't know. Okay. Die. Okay. I'm trying to kill her. Okay, there we go. Someone who doesn't know she has a sword in her inventory. Juicy, salty. I don't even know what I'm saying. Come back here. You weren't playing with me. She thinks she's slick. You see that guy? She thinks she's slick. Oh, okay, yay. Whee. Oh, I'm getting kind of close to the edge. 3, 2, 1, blast off! Whee! Yes! Guys, that's actually one of my friend's voices. Oh no, not this. Okay. Oh. I tried to push it off the edge. I don't even want it to go. I just want it to go off the edge. Go off the edge. Yes, go off the edge. Yes. No. I want it to go off the edge. I like when it goes off the edge. Bring it off the edge, guys. No. I don't want it to go. Bring it off the edge. Yes. Oh, no. Get off the edge. It won't go off the edge. Oh, come on. Well, this is good. Yay. Oh. It's going to be the spam the button one, is it? Oh. Whee. Oh. What? That's a lot of damage. Oh no. No. Oh, I thought it was going to be the Victory Royale one. Green is good luck because the start of green starts with a G and the start of good luck starts with O. No. Give me a moment, guys. Okay, I'm back. Wow. Okay, guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Okay, guys? Bye.